The next question from Firoz from Zurich, Switzerland. I am a big fan of you and may Allah bless you. Jazakallah shukran. Ameen. I want to ask you regarding interest, as these days it's difficult to avoid getting interest from the bank and also to pay by credit cards. If I get interest but I don't eat it, instead I use it to pay my bills like repairs and electricity and salaries, etc. Is it okay or is it haram? The Firoz from Zurich has asked a question. It's very difficult to stay away from riba, from interest, there's credit cards. But if I get the interest, is it okay if I don't eat it but use it for paying my electric bills, my telephone bills, etc.? Many people have a misconception that what is prohibited is not to eat food from the interest money. Not to eat food from the interest money is prohibited, but interest per se is haram. And there are no less than 8 times in the Quran where Allah uses the word riba, interest, and it is mentioned it is haram. And the most strictest warning is in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 278 and 279, where Allah says that if you give up not your demands of riba, then take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. That means if you give up not your demand from riba, that you indulge in interest, in riba, in usury, then Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. According to Imam Madhabi, it is the 12th major sin in Islam. Giving interest is haram, taking interest is also haram. Both are haram. And regarding a question, if interest is haram, can I pay my electric bill? If you are paying your electric bill, it's benefiting you. That you don't have to pay electricity bill, you don't have to pay telephone bill. It is not permitted at all. Even if you take interest and give in charity to others, generally according to me it's not permitted. Yes, if you have taken interest unknowingly and today you realize it is wrong, it is haram, and then you say, I will not keep in the saving account, I will not keep in fixed deposit account, and now I'll stop it, and then if you have some interest money, that you can give in charity. You cannot use it for yourself, neither for eating food, neither for any benefit, neither for paying electric bill or any other bill. You cannot use it on yourself or on any of your duties. You can, however, give it as charity to other people or for building toilets, etc. But you cannot keep on keeping in the bank and every year taking the interest and giving in charity. Even that is wrong, because Allah says in the Quran, taking interest is haram. When you giving in charity, first you have to take and then give. So even giving charity regularly, according to me, is prohibited. Yes, if you were involving in riba and you realize today it is haram, and if you have some money, that you can give in charity, don't utilize on yourself, or you can build toilets with it, but continuously doing that and giving in charity, according to me, even that's not permitted. Hope that's the question.